I'm very sorry for not uploading in a few days. But we're in battle cats. So it's just a good time. Did I update it? I still didn't update it. What kind of fool am I? So obviously I need to update the game. There's like nothing going on. That's why you don't make Battle Cats episodes during a weekday. Cat Clawed Dojo! I'm gonna play half of the Cat Claw Dojo because it's way too long. 5 minutes. This is a zombie fighter stage for my chapter 3 moon zombie. Punch him. Okay, this guy's actually really good against killing squirrels. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, bum, ba-dum, dun, 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 neenat, dun, dee, dun, 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 dee, dun, 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 dee, dun, 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 dee, dun, 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 dee, dun, 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 ba, ba, na, 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 na. Battle Cats theme song. Ba, na, 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 noo, na, na, nee, no. Battle Cats. Everybody loves Battle Cats. Everybody loves Battle Cats. Everybody loves Battle Cats. Yeah, guys, I know this was a really short video. It's like 2.5 minutes long. But I'm gonna end it about here. So this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye! The mic is on. Yeah, I forgot to do it last time. So, yeah. This time, let's see. New update. We're gonna check that out. After the, I'm not gonna go to the apps right now, so I'm gonna check that out after the episode. It's probably Rama 2-2. 2 out of 2. Yeah, I'm not doing a deadly stage right now. Monday stage. We're gonna do Rich Cat Hard. But with one cat. Let's see how hard this really is. It isn't a cat. That does not look like a cat. I'm gonna be 100% honest. Battle Cats does not only have cats. You're telling me a human without legs wearing body protection is a cat. So, yep, it has the cat face, 100% a cat. It also has a head, and arms. Everything but legs. So this video is sponsored by first sponsor. This video is sponsored by Minecats. And it is being uploaded onto Minecats. Yeah, we're sponsoring ourselves. You should subscribe and like. That's what Minecats told us to say. We're getting $1,000. Minecat is paying us $1,000. And I'm not even joking. $1,000 to do that. So that's one rich cat. Oh, I actually got one. That's nice. Woo, yay. I have treasures. Oh, I'm trying to get all the gold treasures for all of the things. Let's see. Gold, 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 gold. Oh my gosh, NASA isn't gold. Let's get that. Perfect time. I remember just grinding playing hours of this game, just grinding out, getting all the gold treasures of Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. This is quite boring. I'm going to be 100% honest. This is really boring. If you've ever bought speed-ups, you're just weird. Like, why would you have to buy speed-ups? You just, like, has there ever been a time where you ran out of speed-ups? Let's be honest, I have 91. If you play Battle Cats, have you ever ran out of speed-ups? No. Is 95% of people's answers. It's just weird. How can you run out of speed-ups? Speed-ups are just like the most common thing. Yes! That's first try gold mission. How do I always get speed-ups? How do I always get speed-ups? That's going to be the end of the video. That's going to be the end of the video, guys. So, hopefully you enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Dun, 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 dun. Bam, boom, 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 boom. Bowcats. 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 Second part of the one slot challenge. This channel is going to be mainly Battle Cats. I might add a bit of, what's it called? Minecraft. But it's going to be mostly Battle Cats. I do most of my Minecraft on the main channel. I make, like, little Minecraft skits and stuff. I make them very frequently, so you can check that out.
Thank you. I love you.
You're welcome. Yes, that was my sister. She was being nice to me. Thank you, Sophia. Okay. That was gone. Now that was done, we'd have to wait another half an hour. So, I don't know what to do. Let's see. Okay. Collab events on now. Oh, yeah. It's bread. Oh, yeah. I was just reading that. Let's see. Total War Spring Special. Yeah, no. Oh my gosh. This is going to be the video. Bye. We have one simple challenge. No, I shouldn't go into that. I should go into Empire of Cats. You go. Chapter 3 Moon. Why did I choose that? Inventory awesome. One cat beat entire chapter 3 Mun. One cat. Now I'm going to use a full inventory because, well, I don't want to ruin an inventory. But actually, this one inventory isn't important. I'll just take it out. Okay. Now, it can't be an Uber, first off. second off, it's gonna be Cyborg Cat. It's gonna be amazing. So I got that. We need to make a lot of money. We need to make a lot of money so we can keep sending out cyborgs, because that kangaroo needs to die. I'm being honest. Very much needs dead. Yes. Okay. Now we have a money-making material. We can grow. We can grow off money and power because we have, well, a lot of money. And it's getting us a lot of storage for money, like 163,000. It's also slapping a lot. This is chapter 3, right? Parascats will just slap, and whap. Wham! Exactly. Note, hopefully there was a sound effect there. Please put it in. Editor me. Thank you. Yeah. Beat the bass. Bass. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of Parascats coming. Wham. Do you know about whapamming? What do you know about whapamming? Oh, what you know about whapamming? Oh, whapam. Oh, that's enough about whapam. Excuse me, whapam. Whapam. This is so funny. He's just getting knocked back. He can't do anything. He's dead. To eat you. We're gonna destroy your base. Hee. Doing 20,000, 30,000. Actually, up 30,000 damage with some hit. Sometimes a hit can do. Oh my gosh. That is like 42,000 damage. I mean, that's